Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mr. Kelly, and I'm coming to you with a math activity today. Today we are working on lesson 6-2, and we're going to be focusing on ordering objects by length. So our focus for today is I can describe or tell about an object's length, and that's telling about how long an object is. And I can compare the lengths of two or more objects. So that's what we're going to be working on today. If we were all in my classroom together, I would have everybody stand up and we would arrange ourselves from the tallest student all the way down to the shortest student. But because we're not all together and we're learning at home, I cut out 5 pieces of paper and I lined them all up at the bottom so that the bottoms all were lined up together so that I could really tell if they were the same size. And if they're not, I can tell which ones are longer and which ones are shorter. So what I want you to do for today's activity is you're going to take 5 things. Now you might need your family to help you set something up. We could use 5 straws cut to different lengths. You can use 5 pieces of paper like I did today. What we really need to do is find 5 things that are different lengths. So why don't you go ahead and find the 5 objects you're going to use, and we'll be ready to begin in a moment. So for this activity, we are going to rearrange our paper strips so that they go from the longest to the shortest. So I'm looking through, and I see this one starts, they all start at the same line here. So I'm going to look at the top to decide which one is the longest, and definitely this one is the longest. So take your longest object or your longest strip of paper or your longest straw and put it on the left side. We're going to try to line them up at the bottom so that we always have a good idea about which one is taller or which one is longer. So if I'm looking, it looks like this next one, these are very close. Let's put them together and see. Oh, they're very close, but I can tell that this one is a little bit shorter. This one is longer. This one has a little less length. So let's see which one goes next. This one seems like it's the longest out of these 3, so let's move this over and put it into place. Let's see. All right, make sure that they're all lined up. All right, so what's next? Which one is the next shortest? All right, looks like this one. And finally, we have this one. Let's see. Now let's line them all up at the bottom nice and neatly, and we can decide whether we put our paper strips into the correct order by length, with the longest one on this side going down to the shortest one on this side. And if you have it done correctly, you're going to see a type of pattern emerge. I'm going to see something that looks like a set of stairs going down, down, down. Now if I sorted them from the shortest to the longest, we'll have a flight of stairs that looks like it's going up. Okay, boys and girls, now it's your turn to give this skill a try. We're going to find 5 objects and try to put them in order from longest to shortest, or from shortest to longest. And if you find that 5 objects is super easy, then you can up the challenge by adding more different objects. Maybe you can arrange 10 objects by length. Good luck, happy mathing!